Tired of a cluttered closet, yet still feel like you have nothing to wear? It's time to simplify your wardrobe and your life with a frugal capsule wardrobe. In this video, you'll learn how to build a timeless, budget-friendly collection of clothes that saves money, reduces stress, and looks great, without buying a thing you don't truly need. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define your style and lifestyle needs. Before you buy or get rid of anything, start by understanding your true clothing needs. Ask yourself, what do I actually wear most days of the week? Consider your daily routine. Are you in an office, working from home, on the go, or spending most of your time outdoors? Your wardrobe should match your real lifestyle, not an imagined one. If you rarely attend formal events, you don't need multiple cocktail dresses. Focus on timeless, classic pieces that reflect your personal style instead of chasing fast-changing trends. Aim for versatility. Items that can transition between work, casual outings, and social gatherings with minimal effort. This ensures your capsule wardrobe stays functional and stylish for years. Step 2. Choose a color palette. A cohesive color palette is the backbone of a capsule wardrobe. Start with 2 to 3 neutral base colors like black, white, navy, beige, or gray. These are timeless, easy to match, and create a clean, polished foundation. Then, choose 2 to 3 accent colors you love, shades that suit your skin tone and make you feel confident. These accents will add personality without limiting your outfit options. When your clothes work together color-wise, you can mix and match effortlessly, creating more looks with fewer items. Sticking to a palette also prevents random purchases that don't pair well with what you already own, saving both money and closet space. Over time, you'll notice how much easier it becomes to get dressed each morning. Step 3. Take inventory of what you already own. Before spending a single penny, shop your own closet first. You may be surprised at how many capsule-friendly pieces you already have. Pull out every item and examine it honestly. Does it fit well, flatter you, and suit your lifestyle? Try everything on to check comfort and condition. Keep only the pieces you genuinely enjoy wearing and that align with your chosen color palette. Create 3 piles: keep, donate, and sell. Selling unwanted items can even help fund your capsule wardrobe. Sometimes hidden gems like a classic blazer, well-fitted jeans, or a quality white shirt are already waiting in your wardrobe, saving you the need to repurchase. This step also helps you identify what's truly missing. Step 4. Stick to key wardrobe staples. A frugal capsule wardrobe thrives on having the right essentials rather than a large number of clothes. Focus on versatile, high-quality staples that can be styled in multiple ways year-round. A good starting point might include 2 to 3 tops in neutral shades, 2 pairs of bottoms that can be dressed up or down, 1 outer layer like a jacket or cardigan, 1 dress or jumpsuit, and 1 pair of comfortable yet stylish shoes. Optional additions include 1 quality bag, a scarf, and a simple accessory. These pieces should mix and match seamlessly, allowing you to create dozens of outfits without overcrowding your closet. Remember, 15 to 30 well-chosen items often outperform a wardrobe of 50 mismatched ones. Step 5. Fill the gaps, frugally. Once you know what's missing, it's time to complete your capsule wardrobe without overspending. Start by setting a strict budget and sticking to your list. Explore thrift stores, secondhand shops, and online resale platforms like Vinted, Depop, or Poshmark. You'll often find high-quality clothing at a fraction of retail prices. Clothing swaps with friends are another great way to refresh your wardrobe for free. Be patient. Finding the right piece takes time. Focus on quality fabrics and timeless designs that will last for years instead of chasing seasonal trends. Avoid impulse buys, and remember, every new item should match at least 3 pieces you already own. That's the secret to a functional and frugal wardrobe. Step 6. Declutter and donate the rest. Once you've identified your keepers, it's time to clear the rest, ruthlessly but thoughtfully. Follow the 3-pile method. Keep items you truly love that fit well and align with your style and color palette. Place uncertain pieces in a maybe box for 3 months. If you don't reach for them during that time, they go. Finally, donate, sell, or recycle what no longer serves you. Listing on platforms like Poshmark or dropping donations at local thrift stores can give your clothes a second life. Be honest, if it doesn't fit, flatter, or suit your lifestyle, it's clutter. A streamlined wardrobe not only makes getting dressed easier, but also gives you clarity, space, and peace of mind. Less really is more. Step 7. Rotate seasonally. A capsule wardrobe is not fixed. It evolves with the seasons. Keeping every piece visible year-round can make your closet feel crowded and overwhelming. Instead, store off-season clothing neatly in labeled bins or garment bags, leaving only the current season's items at hand. This keeps your space functional, prevents decision fatigue, and helps you appreciate your clothes more. Every 3 months, reassess your capsule. Swap in weather-appropriate pieces and remove anything you no longer wear. This seasonal refresh doesn't require buying new items. Often, simply rotating your wardrobe feels like a style update. By limiting visible options, you'll save time, dress more intentionally, and maintain that clean, organized look that makes capsule wardrobes so appealing. Step 8. Embrace the one-in, one-out rule. The key to keeping your capsule wardrobe frugal and intentional is to control what enters it. Adopt the simple yet powerful one-in, one-out rule. Whenever you purchase a new item, remove one existing piece from your closet. This keeps your collection balanced and prevents slow but steady clutter creep. It also forces you to think carefully before buying. If a new top means letting go of an old favorite, is it worth it? This mindset naturally curbs impulse shopping and encourages higher quality purchases. Over time, your wardrobe remains lean, curated, and filled only with pieces you truly love and wear. It's a small habit with a big impact on both your style and your budget. Recap. The Frugal Capsule Wardrobe Formula. Here's the step-by-step process to creating a minimalist, stylish, and budget-friendly wardrobe. 1. Define your style and needs. 2. Choose a cohesive color palette. 3. Inventory what you already own. 4. Focus on versatile, high-quality staples. 5. Fill any gaps frugally. 6. Declutter and donate the rest. 7. Rotate your wardrobe seasonally. 8. Follow the one-in, one-out rule. By combining intention, simplicity, and frugality, you'll enjoy a wardrobe that works harder with fewer pieces, saves money in the long run, and reflects your authentic style every single day. A frugal capsule wardrobe isn't about deprivation. It's about freedom. Freedom from fast fashion, freedom from decision fatigue, and freedom to spend your time, money, and energy on what really matters. Build it once, and enjoy it every single day.